Hello, and welcome to Math 201 Statistics. I'm Sarah Main. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. Wanted to just tell you a little bit about me, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you this semester and supporting you through the course. I am married, live in Three Rivers on a lake, and haven't always lived there, but we are enjoying it. I have three children. My youngest is almost 24, and my oldest is 26. I enjoy reading, working out, doing my Bible study, hanging out on the lake, just lake things, taking long walks with friends. And I think I mentioned I enjoy reading, and I enjoy math and statistics. It's my first love. This is by far my favorite course to teach. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this class. So let's just go ahead and share my screen so that you can see. So first thing you should do is log into Canvas, and the home screen is going to take you to the modules, but you can always just click on the modules over here on the left. The modules are where you're going to be working each week. I do encourage you to read the simple syllabus. It goes through the expectations of the course and the outcomes that you're expected to learn through the course. Also, the percentage categories for how you're going to earn your grade in the class. Those are also shown under the grades tab as well in assignments. So going through this getting started module is the first thing you should do. And then also in the first week, it's completing week 1. So each week you'll see that it'll describe the week. If you click on this, it'll walk you right through what's going to happen that week. There's going to be notes to print each chapter, some videos to watch for those notes. You're going to want to follow my videos and write on those notes. So I wrote on here notes to print. If you don't have access to a printer or would just like me to print them out, if you contact me, I have them all printed out for the semester. I can give you that packet along with the reviews for the midterm and final. And then there's going to be assignments for each week, and it's going to walk you through. Now, it'll say this is week 1 beginning January 8th, but these assignments aren't due until January 14th, which is the end of the week. And sometimes they're not due for a week. And that's because I'm trying to let you know ahead of time. But you can go through and you can click on any module you'd like throughout the whole semester, and you can close them and open them as you would like as well. So the getting started module and the week 1, you should complete in the first week. It's a lot going on, but you'll want to get off to a really good start. So in the welcome little note here, I recommend that you sign up for my receiving texting from me. It's a quick way for us to communicate along with your using Canvas and Watermark to communicate as well. And then you're going to go to getting your ALEKS account set up. This is where your virtual book is. You're welcome to purchase a hard book in the bookstore or online, but the virtual book is included in this account. And this is where you're going to complete all of your homework along with the midterm and final. And so the homework are really going to prepare you for that midterm and final because the content will look similar. And so you're going to want to follow that setup and get going right away with these other pieces to that. Along with each week, like I said, you're going to have these notes to print and these videos to follow along. And that's where your learning is going to come into play. Along with printing of the notes, you're going to be scanning those notes the next week. So you're going to see that your first set of notes are due your chapter 1 video notes. And that's where you're going to scan the notes that you've written on and just to show me that you're completing those each week. I want those in one scanned document. And you'll see here project 1. In the list of activities for the semester right here, you can print out a schedule of topics and the due dates. But there's also projects. There's going to be 4 to 6 projects, I think, for the semester, and they actually make up 40% of your grade. And that's because the projects are going to be using your own data. It's where you're going to really show me what you're understanding from the concepts. along with the midterm and final. The midterm and final are going to be taken in ALEKS, that online platform. You will be using their lockdown browser that you will have to download. So you will not be using the lockdown browser through Glen Oaks. Those are the main things. There will be some quizzes throughout the semester also in Canvas, and those are going to also give you an idea of some types of questions that might be on the midterm and final. They won't be worded the same because they're in Canvas versus ALEKS, but it's just going to be a way for you to kind of assess your learning. The quizzes, you do not have to use a lockdown browser, so that's not a problem. If you have any questions at all and you would really like to get some help, I have in-person office hours, and then I'm also available on the Zoom anytime that you request that we can figure out time together. I'm available throughout the week as well as on weekends. I can make time for my students, and you would just go right here into the Getting Started module and click on the Sarah Zoom room. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out this semester.